beautifully slim neck is one of those body goals many of us long for, but can't seem to achieve. But, what exactly can you do to get rid of that stubborn double chin, in the realm of plastic surgery and aesthetics treatments?
Hi, I'm Dr. Shens and I'm here to talk to you about double chin procedure. There are many treatment options available currently for treating a double chin, some of which involve a single session, whereas the others might take a couple of sessions to improve a double chin. I'm about to list some of these techniques which are available in plastic surgery centers as well as aesthetic clinics. You can actually decide which modality might suit you based on a few factors which we are about to discuss. There are basically three different modalities that we use for treatment of a double chin procedure. The first one is liposuction. The second is essentially fat freezing of this area. And the third is a fat melting solution that uses Kybella. I will first talk about liposuction. Liposuction actually is a single procedure for the treatment of double chin. We tend to actually use a tiny incision just behind the earlobe to assess the area of the double chin. I personally use a basal liposuction which helps to emulsify the fat, remove the fat effectively, and also tends to produce a bit of collagen to tighten the loose tissues under the chin. This procedure takes around about 30 to 40 minutes in my hand and the recovery is very rapid. Second procedure that I would like to discuss is actually fat freezing that some aesthetic clinics use. We need to know that fat freezing essentially requires multiple sessions and it does not give you the complete resolution of the double chin that a single procedure of liposuction would. And each session typically takes around about 40 minutes and it can be costly as much as $600 to $800 per session. So typical patient will look into getting 2 to 3 of these sessions to see some improvement, and they are typically in the range of a 20% reduction of the chin. The third procedure is essentially fat melting. So as we know, and if we had done the research, we would be very familiar with a certain drug called Kybella, which is available for melting this fat. So there are these modalities essentially used via injections. There are about 20 to 30 injections done in a session, mainly to melt this fat, and essentially can be quite painful and it takes some time for resolution. But the problem is Kybella is not approved for use in Singapore, so the patient has to travel out of the country to get it done. So my personal preference, if I were to treat a double chin for myself, I would prefer to go with a single session, something that gives you effective control of the double chin without compromising on the final outcome. So for me, liposuction definitely seems like the way to go for treatment of double chin procedure.
Like what you see? For more information about the procedure, please feel free to contact customer support team or pop by for a private consultation.